I have been down many different learning journeys with trying to find out ways to better protect myself, my family, my legacy. And I was actually listening to an X22 Report, which was a podcast, and they were interviewing one of your employees from the Freedom People. And then just in their show notes below, I really liked what they were talking about. Yeah, that was a great initial connection. And I reached out to your team, and gosh, the rest has been a fantastic journey. Through the Freedom People, what I really found out was the best way to protect your family is to protect yourself first. The process was really easy. Actually, it was fun to go through. I didn't realize how much back-end work that you guys do. And then once I was able to receive the documents and sit in a quiet moment and really go through everything, I was like, whoa, there was no way that I could do that. The Freedom People are what I would describe as your wealth.